It's Corporal Woodhull, and I've got the Squire SS50C P5. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, it's a 5-pin tumbler, weatherproof. I believe this is considered a marine version. I think it's really thick, so it's collared around the shackle. I think they made these for, I don't know, I was reading into it. This thing is heavy duty, so definitely one of the heaviest padlocks I have. I think it is the heaviest padlock. Yeah. So anyway, this is sent out to me from Southampton Lock Picking Club. So thanks again. I picked this a few times. I haven't been able to do it on camera. Rotator cuff tear this hand, so you probably see me resting that frequently. That's why I moved into this location here. There's a table that's lower, easier on the shoulder. I haven't done a video in a while. I'll be trying to make my rounds to visit some of you guys, and most of you guys, as many as I can. Haven't been on YouTube for quite a while. I think we all take our breaks from time to time. Let's make sure we're in frame. Again, this is a 5-pin tumbler. Here's the bidding. It's pretty nice bidding, actually. And it's definitely a cool lock. Click at 1, a little rotation out at 2. Nothing on 3, 4, 5. Come back to 1, nothing. Click on 2, nothing on 3. There's 4. Well, that was 5, I think. That's 4. 3. Oh, there we go. Wow. Okay, so I only opened this maybe a few times, and the thing has really, really low tolerances, or little feedback, should I say. A fun pick for sure. Unfortunately, that's killing me just already from doing that. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to gut this. I know it is a guttable, yeah. So it takes a Phillips head down there, and show that it's open there. I mean, I don't know what else I could do to give you proof other than gutting it. Now I'm not gutting it, unfortunately. So yeah, let's lock her back up. Very cool pick. Usually it takes me a lot longer to pick it too, by the way. So if you can hear the pins in there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Yes. Anyway, this is the Squire. Take this off again. The Squire SS50C P5. Again, sent out to me from Southampton Lock Picking Club. That's my ringtone, and that's it. You guys take care, and I'll be making my rounds. Hopefully, I'll be back at it sooner than later. Take care.